Menteri jong ke sorkar jylla ke kong Ampareen lengdo ne ke sengi ba jumpa lor ke jengkeli habai dei bet ke UCC kalaong ba kum ke menteri ke badai pet ya ketenat ain ha ke jylla kampat yo jingtip habai dei bat kani kala benrap ru da ke baong ba ke sengau tu bada ke jingwan jong ki election ha ki wei ke jylla kala don ke jingkren de kinong elam halor ke jing pentrai kam ya kene ka ain kalau ongru ba ke jylla Meghalaya kadai ke jylla kabadon ya ke jingeda lengba ka kernit ka bahan rio jong kerti sensyar jong keri India. Shu kalau ongru ba ke sorkar NDA kaban khot ikipar lok ke badon lang haknik sorkar hashwa benchim ya kino ki senjam nagaleng kang Ampareen kala berabru da ka baong bakum ke sorkar jylla ki skhem Batkin don bynta ban shah ya ke UCC bakan trei ha ke jylla Meghalaya.
To my knowledge, as Law Minister of the State of Meghalaya, no information has yet reached my office. I can understand that with elections happening in certain states, there have been statements made by leaders of the country on the implementation of the UCC. Accordingly, there has been reactions based on those observations made in a public forum. Whether or not the state of Meghalaya has received anything in writing, not to my knowledge and information. Honorable Chief Minister has been very candid about it. We have said that we are a state with special privileges. We are protected by the 6th schedule. The 6th schedule predominantly attends to personal laws in a large extent. Matters of land, matters of marriage, matters of inheritance, etc., etc., etc. It would be too early for me to comment on this matter because to my own research, I have been told that there was a private member's bill that was submitted to the Rajya Sabha. That bill was not taken up for discussion. Whether or not it remains the agenda of the NDA will have to call its partners in states before deciding and taking decisive decisions on matters which affect states. And we as a state, as you heard the Honorable Chief Minister comment, are firm on this matter. We shall not be part of allowing UCC to be operational in the state of Meghalaya. We have special privileges as per Constitution. We will fight to the hilt to ensure that our personal laws are not touched. We are unique. We are a matrilineal community. All of that has a full presence and understanding in the Constitution. And I'm sure other states in the Northeast region will also likely have a similar view. I feel that UCC is a huge proposal. It does not touch only one aspect. It has a lot of aspects. We will cross the bridge and deal with the problem once it comes to us officially. But as of now, to my information and knowledge, it is still not there.
So we can understand the mind of the government that the government will seek exemption from UCC.
I do not think we should respond accordingly because we don't know what they want to put in that UCC. It is a huge policy. Personal law is huge. It encompasses way of life, encompasses tradition and practice, encompasses religion and religious beliefs. It encompasses uniqueness of states. So by bringing a particular law only to address a certain lacunae in a practice of a certain community is incorrect in a state like India, where there are 32 states, all vibrantly coexisting. So That is the beauty of our democracy. No decision shall be entertained. As of now, we are not even deciding, because to my knowledge, it has not come to my attention.